Have you ever wondered how the musical scales and the periodic table have anything to do with each other? Well, prepare to be amazed. The English chemist Jar Newlands discovered a fascinating connection between the two in 1865. He called it the law of octaves. To understand the law of octaves, think of the do-re-mi scale in music. The eighth note in a scale is a repetition of the first, but at a higher frequency. Similarly, Newlands noticed that every eighth element in the periodic table shared similar properties. He arranged the elements in order of increasing atomic weight and found a recurring pattern every 7 elements. The eighth element, much like the octave in music, had similar physical and chemical properties to the first. This might sound a bit complex, but let's break it down. Imagine you're arranging your favorite books by their page numbers. You notice that every eighth book has a similar theme or genre. That's a pattern, right? That's exactly what Newlands saw with the elements. Every eighth element showed a repetition in properties, just like the eighth note in a musical scale. But what does this mean for chemistry? The law of octaves was a significant step towards understanding the periodic properties of elements. It was a precursor to the modern periodic table we know today. Newlands' observation helped chemists predict the properties of elements they had not yet discovered. Here are the key points to remember about the law of octaves. Firstly, it was proposed by Jar Newlands in 1865. Secondly, it involves arranging elements in order of increasing atomic weight. Thirdly, every eighth element shares similar physical and chemical properties to the first. And finally, the law of octaves was instrumental in the development of the modern periodic table. So the next time you listen to your favorite song or look at the periodic table, remember the law of octaves. It's a beautiful reminder of the harmony between music and science, and how patterns can emerge in the most unexpected places.